Mustang 1 pushing the red cube off. We have X throws. Flipping some green cubes. Mustang 1 pushing another red cube off of that post. X throws, trying to clear some cubes out of that zone. Mustang 1 gets the last of the red cubes off the post. As we get to 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Push into this low zone from X throws. As we get to 25 seconds, you must switch. X throws, looks like they're going for a full mark. A lot of extra points. Mustang 1, looking like they want to pull off the mark as well. And X throws, but there aren't enough cubes in time. Looks like they might have it. So you get out of the last 3 seconds. Mustang 1 gets a mark.